What's going on, everybody? Bones here with Cajun RNEWBBQ. Hope you're doing fine. I'm making it myself. So right now it's raining a little bit, so I'm going to try to drown out the rain. Hopefully you won't hear it. You'll just hear me. Right now I came across this product from Franklin Barbecues. Their barbecue sauce. He's out in Austin, Texas. I'm not going to be able to go there anytime soon. I'm also not going to go stand in line at 5 o'clock in the morning for barbecue at noon. Just not going to do it. So, thought, might as well give it a try, see what it tastes like. Main ingredients are tomato puree, apple cider vinegar, sugar, light brown sugar, Worcestershire sauce, vinegar, molasses, and a whole list of other spices. Tried some out the bottle. It's got a very heavy tomato base to it. It's very runny, so expect your pit to get messy when you use it because it's very, very runny. Today, I know he doesn't do chicken wings, but that's what we're starting off with, chicken wings. I did a straight up salt and pepper base to it, so let's go ahead and get started. Ingredients for some Franklin Barbecues chicken wings if they sold chicken wings. Some Franklin barbecue sauce original, sea salt, coarse ground black pepper, and chicken wings. First thing we do, we get us a seasoning container that has a lid with wide mouth holes on it. Now we go ahead and we pour out some sea salt. That should be enough. We're only doing a little bit here. Now some coarse ground black pepper. Whoop. Go ahead and mix it up. We're fully incorporated. Go ahead and tap down that lid. We're ready to move on to our next step. Chicken wings have been sitting in the fridge for the past couple hours. They're dried out a little bit, so this will help the spray oil stick to the skin a little bit better. Now let's go ahead and hit it up with that seasoning. Today we're going to use the Oklahoma Joe Bronco that I just got from Lowe's for a sweet deal. Go ahead and check out my Instagram page to find out how I got it. Pitch up the temp. Gonna go ahead and start throwing these wings on the grill. We're running at about 325 degrees right now. Gonna check them in about 25-30 minutes. Oh, they're looking real good. Gonna go ahead and flip them over. Let them go for another 15 minutes. We're going to go ahead and hit it up now with that Franklin's Barbecue Original Sauce. And here we have it. Nice Texas style wings with Franklin barbecue sauces, original sauce on them. Let's go in for a taste test. Oh yeah. I just love that Texas style of just salt and pepper. Simple, but perfect. Great flavor. Then you've got the Franklin barbecue sauce's original on there. A little runny for my taste. I like a thicker barbecue sauce, something that holds up. Doesn't make your pit all messy. But hey, everybody's got their own opinion of sauce. But it's got great flavor. If you like what I'm doing, you know what to do. Thank you. Have a good day.